So today I'll be showing you how to use Gemini Live Camera on your phone. Now to get this, you need to use the latest version of Gemini. So if you haven't, you want to go to the App Store and update Gemini to the latest version. So let's go and find Gemini, and you should see Google Gemini. Make sure you have updated to the latest version. If there's a pending update, you'll see an update button. Once you're running the latest version of Gemini, then to use the Gemini Live Camera, simply go to Gemini Live. You can tap on this icon here. That opens Gemini Live, as you can see. And to use the camera, just tap on the record button. And that brings up the camera. And you can show.
Okay, I'm ready.
You can show Gemini things and ask Gemini to tell you what it's looking at. So for instance, I have this. Let's have a conversation with Gemini about this Bose Ultra open earbuds. Okay, so let's go. Hi Gemini, what are these?
Those are Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. Do you have any questions about them?
These are actually not Quiet Comfort earbuds.
Okay, I see the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds case. What can I help you with regarding these earbuds?
So what earbuds are these now that I've opened up the case?
Okay, you've opened the case and taken out one of the earbuds. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or do with them?
Yeah, these are not the Quiet Comfort. These are actually the Ultra Open.
All right, both earbuds are out of the case. What's on your mind?
These are not the Quiet Comfort. These are the Bose Ultra Open earbuds.
All right, I see the Bose earbuds in their charging case. What can I do for you?
Can you tell me the most useful feature of these Bose Ultra Open earbuds?
I'm here to help. What would you like to know about your Bose earbuds?
Well, seems like Gemini doesn't want to talk about that. Let's talk about something else.
Okay, I see the Bose earbuds and their charging case. What can I do for you?
Gemini, what's this?
That's a cool model car. It looks like a Nissan Skyline GTRR 34 with a sweet blue racing stripe. Are you looking for some info on it?
Yeah, do you know anywhere else I could have seen this car? Could you have seen this car anywhere else?
Okay, I see the Nissan Skyline GTRR 34 model car. Do you have any questions about it, or is there anything specific you'd like to know?
Have you seen this in a movie?
That's a very nice model car. It looks like a Nissan Skyline GTRR 34, the same model driven by Paul Walker in the Fast and Furious movies. Do you have any questions about this model?
Interesting. So that is basically how to use Gemini Live Camera. So basically you can point Gemini at things with your camera and it's going to tell you exactly what that is. Now it's not perfect, but that's how to use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.